Coming up on Inimba this week, custody battle kaBavumile continues and it gets ugly. Hlathi turns on Thumeka and we get to meet ex-wife kaLazarus. So it seems Hlathi finally took them to court to fight for custody kaBavumile. And it gets ugly as Hlathi starts turning on Thumeka, saying that Thumeka knew all along that Bavumile was his son. And then it seems that also all secrets resurface ukuthi Hlathi bribed court officials to keep Qhawe away from Zoleka, and it seems like Thumeka is going to turn on Hlathi and actually tells Zoleka what was going on. And it seems like Zoleka no Lazarus, they finally win this case, or they well towards winning, or everything is working out on their favor as things resurface, and they seem to have everything on their upper sleeve, while umndeni kaHlathi also turn against him. Hlathi has even gone to unkosikazi kaSydney uHlengiwe to ask for a representation, not knowing ukuthi umfazi kaSydney is no longer working, she was suspended. And then we get to meet ex-wife kaLazarus, Lillian, the Lillian that Sydney has been speaking about. So we get to meet her. Turns out to be the one and only Samkelo Ndlovu. And then she meets Zoleka. It seems like there's a whole lot of things coming up this week. There's also some things that are going to happen between Qhawe and Onga. They're probably going to date or attempt at having a fling, an office fling, and it turns ugly and affects their work, or Qhawe gets embarrassed. It's a lot, and obviously Hlathi is going to play ugly, but I hope that it's good that Zoleka has that supporting Lazarus, and they're going to fight him till they win. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you on the next one. Stay tuned for updates. Bye.